Is your Tesla failing to recognize your phone key? Don't panic. This video will guide you through easy troubleshooting steps to get you back on the road. The Tesla phone key uses Bluetooth to unlock and start your car, offering a keyless experience. When it fails, the most common culprits are simple and easily fixed. We will be covering some of the most common solutions in this video. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the Tesla app is running in the background. Make sure airplane mode is off. Also, be within a 10-meter range of your Tesla. Signal interference, especially in urban areas, can disrupt the connection. A simple phone restart might resolve temporary glitches. Finally, make sure that you are running on BLE 5.0 or higher. Outdated software is a frequent cause of phone key issues. Open your Tesla app and check for any available updates. Then, on your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Software and ensure your car's firmware is up to date. Tesla regularly releases updates, like v25.11.5, that improve Bluetooth connectivity and address bugs. Keeping your software updated is critical to the process. Step 3. Re-enrolling your phone key. Sometimes the phone key needs to be re-enrolled due to connection issues or software glitches. In the Tesla app, navigate to Controls, then Locks, and select Phone Key. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the re-enrollment process. This re-establishes the secure Bluetooth connection between your phone and the vehicle. Also, double-check that the car listed in the Tesla app is the correct one you're attempting to unlock. If re-enrolling your phone key doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to perform a deeper reset by deleting your vehicle from the Tesla app and then re-adding it. This can fix persistent pairing problems. Start by opening your Tesla app and finding the option to delete or remove your vehicle from the account. After deleting the vehicle, you'll need to re-add it using your Tesla keycard for authentication. This complete reset often resolves Bluetooth connectivity issues that simpler fixes couldn't address. Tesla's app now features a phone key health check tool that allows users to run diagnostics directly from their device. This tool can automatically reset connections without needing a service center visit. To access the tool, open the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to the Phone Key Settings section, where you'll find the Health Check option. The Phone Key Health Check tool is prominently featured in the app's troubleshooting guides. It provides a step-by-step diagnostic process to identify and resolve issues. Here's how to use the tool. First, open the Tesla app and navigate to the Phone Key Settings. Then select the Phone Key Health Check option. Finally, run the diagnostic and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. The Health Check tool offers several benefits. It identifies potential Bluetooth and connectivity issues automatically. It can reset connections without requiring a service center visit. The tool suggests specific solutions, such as resetting the Bluetooth connection. Overall, it saves time and reduces the need for extensive manual troubleshooting. During the diagnostic process, the tool may prompt you to confirm actions on the vehicle's touchscreen, such as verifying Bluetooth settings. This ensures the health check covers both the app and the vehicle systems. Regular use of the Phone Key Health Check tool helps maintain reliable functionality and prevents issues before they become major problems. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve Tesla phone key issues, try advanced steps. Start by resetting your phone's Bluetooth settings entirely. On iPhones, this involves resetting network settings, which clears all network-related configurations, including Bluetooth. On Android devices, navigate to Bluetooth settings and clear the cache and data for the Bluetooth app. After resetting, test the phone key in an area free from potential interference sources like Wi-Fi routers or other electronic devices. Note that solar panels can also generate electromagnetic interference that affects Bluetooth connectivity. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Tesla support. There might be an issue with your car's Bluetooth module or a more complex software problem that requires professional assistance. With 92% of phone key issues resolved through basic troubleshooting, Tesla support can assist with the other 8% that require technical support. Remember to document your troubleshooting steps before contacting support to help them resolve the problem faster.